Hey yo guys, this is your IT Tech back with another one. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this stuff and let's see if it's worth it to buy currently. And yeah, with the safety first, let's unbox it. Let's see the content it provides, the quality it provides. Well, if you're seeing the pricing here, it's written to 999, but I got for 1400. Yeah, gives it comes with the one IP68 waterproofing and yeah, cable free charging. That is amazing actually. So yeah, let's open it. So yeah, it's the first look after opening it, and there are some modules in here. So yeah, you can check it also for if you want to download the application, so you can go through it just once. And yes, let's take this band out, our main content. So I ordered it in this color. You might be able to see this, I guess military green color. So it's looking really amazing, like for an 1400 stuff. It's looking amazing, so let's peel it off. Well, if I talk about the band quality and all this stuff, it's amazing. If I compare this all this to the price range of 1400. Well, here we get an buckle type strap, which is an individual choice. Well, personally, I like it. Yeah, so the band quality is really good and it's lightweight. And here you can see this heartbeat monitor. And yeah, so here's this. And yeah, here's the cable free charging. And well, personally, it's amazing. And yeah, here's the app on Android, which you have to download to connect with your band. And yeah, make sure it's not available on iOS yet. So yes, via this you can connect your band with the Android smartphone. And firstly, in the very beginning, you have to get registered with this application. So yeah, after getting registered, here's this option which you from where you can connect your band, and from there it would ask you about your account. Then it would also ask you your age, your height, weight, and etc. So yeah, after filling that, you would be able to start with your uh, band. So now after filling all your requirements, now you can directly connect to your band via Bluetooth. And following basic connectivity steps, you can connect like this. So till I follow the basic steps, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, now it's connected. Now you have to just basically uh, share all the basic information it asks about your gender, age, height, and etc. So now here it asks about the steps or the goals you want to set. So you can step according to it, according to your preference. So here now the band is connected. Now from here you can directly move towards your settings, and here are the watch faces which you initially get at the very beginning. Now will it provide further more watch faces? Now stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to our channel. So yeah, here you get more features like call reminder, notification, and yeah, my favorite, it's water reminder. Uh, nowadays it's more important to just be hydrated and hydrate yourself. So yeah, you can go ahead with that feature. There are more features like heart rate monitoring 24/7 and find my phone, exercises, and brightness. And yeah, you can hear from this feature, you can rotate your screen very easily. So this kind of user interface you're gonna see. Well, now let's move towards our honest section. Well, if we talk about its heart rate monitoring, it's pretty much accurate to that of Mi Band 4, even that of Apple Watch or Samsung Gear. So yeah, it is totally reliable, I must say. Well, if we talk about the outdoor brightness, outdoor screen, well, this is how it looks. I know not that brighter, but still, what can you expect in this range? So now you people might be thinking about the updates and all. Yeah, I received them, and that would be covered in the next upcoming episode. So yeah, stay tuned and hit the like button, subscribe. Well, yes, I finally received an update and now I'm upgrading it. Oh wow, I received another update. Well, it's unlocking many features. Let's see.